Acknowledge all their hard work with this You Rock graduation t-shirt stencil project from Oak Lane Studio. First, wrap your t-shirt around a cardboard box top, flattening the area where you'll be placing your design. In a well-ventilated area and on a protected surface, spray the underside of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Allow the spray to cure for 30 to 60 seconds before positioning your stencil and pressing into place. Thoroughly shake your bottle of navy blue Americana acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Add an equal amount of Americana fabric medium and stir until completely blended using a brush. Soak the high-density foam roller by moving it in one direction only and gradually picking up more and more paint as the roller spins. Remove excess paint by rolling repeatedly on a stack of paper towels. Too much paint will cause it to bleed underneath the stencil. Add color in light coats, making sure to frequently change the direction in which the roller is moving. If the fabric isn't absorbing enough paint from the roller, a stencil brush can also be used. Be sure to remove excess paint from the brush as well using the paper towels. Once finished painting, carefully peel away the stencil. To lock in the color, lay a piece of fabric over the design and go over it with an iron with heat but not steam. Your new graduation t-shirt makes the perfect gift for the new grad or their proud family. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.